Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I hope you all are doing well in your lives. So welcome to College Bus, and today I will share one of my experience whenever I update the Macos bigsur that is from 11.1 to 11.2, and at any stage of update you will see an error while coding, not in any other things. While coding you will see an error. You go to any IDE, Visual Studio Code or pycharm, whatever you are using for your language. So I use both Visual Studio Code and pycharm, and I see the issue is with updating. When you update your bigsur OS, you write a code on your IDE and you try to execute the code, and you want to press the run button and you press it, and you see that it will show an error. In many times you will say, I will show you later in the video how is this error coming and what is this error. Error name is xcrun. This type of error is coming and you can't execute your code, and you go on internet and you search about it, how to resolve this error, and the people will say just re-download xcode file. And trust me guys, you all know xcode IDE of Apple is all about 11 GBs, and no, it is not possible for everyone to download it, because I know that there are a lot of students who are using mobile data, not using the Wi-Fi, so it's not possible to run to download such a big file, and it is obviously not good. So I will show you a simple way through which you can resolve this error very easy, with very easy steps, and hope you all will tune with me throughout the video, and I will show you how to resolve this error. So let's proceed. So guys, let's see you are getting the same error or not that I am talking about previously. So the first we will kill the terminal, okay, and then I will go to any code. Suppose this code is perfectly fine, I have run it before, but now if I try to run this code and I press the run code button, and it will show this type of error. I will pull it up a little bit so that you can see. It is showing xcrun error, invalid active developer path, and missing xrun at this following path. So you will see in every code, you go at every code and you will see the same error. You can see the same error. You go to another one and we'll press the run button, and you will see the same error is coming, same error. There is nothing new. You will get the same error in any code. There is in writing the code there is no error, but because of the updating of the bigsur OS, this error is coming. So guys, if you are getting the same error, then you are at the right place, and I will show you how to resolve this. What you need to do is simply go to your Safari or any other browser you like to use, like Chrome or any other. So I go there and I will simply write download command line tool latest. So simply press return, and then you will go on the first link, and you need to remember this. You need to sign up here for the first time if you are visiting, right? So we'll go there, and here you can see the command line tool. This is the command line tool. You need to click it here and download this. I need not to download this because I have already downloaded this, so I will show you the installation part. So where it is, downloads command line tool. Okay, so here we are installing this. And we need to press the continue button, we need to agree, we need to continue, continue. I need to set my password here and I will install this software. So it was validating the packages and it was preparing to install. It will take some time. Let's wait. It was showing about 5 minutes, but it will take less time, less than a minute. And after that you will see that your code will run perfectly fine. There is no error. Every time you need to do the same. You need not to delete this package, you need to retain this package with you. And every time you update your Macos, after that you need to do the one simple thing, command line developer tool. You need to install this. Oh, it was taking more time. Let's wait. Restricting system files. It was near about to complete. Less than a minute. Registering updated components. Let's wait. I will forward this part for you guys. It was actually taking more than 1 minute. I am hoping that it will take less than a minute, and it was going far more than 1 minute. What we can do? We can just wait and see. This is the simple method. It will take all about 460.5 MB, not more than that. And if you download the xcode, it will take about 11 GB. So it is not what we can say, it's not a good method to do. Simply download command line developer tool. अरे भाई इंस्टॉल हो जा, इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहा है? वेट ही कर सकते भाई, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Installation was successful. Then we press the close button, and I will close this also, and let's see it work or not. Firstly, I force quit this app, and you need to press command plus Q for this. I will again open this, and then we will see it's working or not. Go to any code. Wow, it's working. Let's check some other code. This circle wala code. Let's check it. I kill the terminal and then I press the run button. Okay, it's working. Suppose we check this function. It's working. Another, it's working. So you can see with this simple step we can resolve the error, that is xcrun error. You need to download just simple this, do this simple process, and everything will be fine. I hope you guys, I helped you to resolve this issue. Thank you very much.